Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a credit repair business website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is completely free to get started, and also it is beginner friendly, easy to use. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. After creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Then from here, I want you to tap right where you see Set Up Without AI. After doing that, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to simply type in credit repair, or you can select credit restoration company. Then from there, you can tap on next. After selecting next, you can see that it is preparing our dashboard. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you how to add your business name, the different services that you'll be offering your clients, and also how to set up your payment methods and so much more. So you can see our dashboard right here, and we could call our website, just for example sake, Test Credit. Then you could add in your business address right here. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can set up your business opening days and also the opening and closing hours. So let's say, for example, our business will be open 9 a.m. and it is going to be open from 9 to 4 p.m. So we're going to select 4 p.m. right here, and it will be 5 days per week. Then we're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on next, you can see some typical services that are offered by a credit restoration or credit repair company. So for example, bill your credit, in-person tax filing, and one-on-one rapid trading consultation. You can select any one of these that would relate to your company, so you can select them right there. After you have done that, if you would like to add a service that you don't see, you could tap on Create New Service, then add in the service name and tap on Save. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Next once more. From here, you can add in your staff member's name and email address. After doing that, you're going to tap on Next again. And will you be accepting payments online? If that is the case, you can select that. Will you also be doing virtual sessions, for example, Zoom sessions with clients and so on? If that is the case, you can tap on Offer Virtual Sessions right here. Once you have done that, you can tap on Next once more, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. Now, after selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next is, once your dashboard has been prepared, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you're going to select Booking and Services. After selecting Booking and Services, you will be redirected to the Services page. If it is a case that you would like to add more services to offer, you could tap on Add New Service in the top right hand corner, or you can scroll down and you can start editing the services that we had added earlier. So to edit them, you'll simply tap on Edit in line with the service name, and by doing this, you will be redirected to the particular service page. You can change the name of the service. You can also add a quick description if you want. You can change the cover image by tapping on the X to remove it and then upload a new image. You can change the duration time by selecting it right here. You can also scroll down and you can set your price. So you can tap right where you see the price right there. So let's say, for example, $25 per 45 minutes. Then you'll tap on Save. And also, if it is a service that you offer via video conference, you can also add that at the bottom of the page. So for example, let's say I would like to offer the next service video conference. First, close this by tapping on the X in the top left hand corner. So I'll scroll down and let's say in-person tax filing. We will simply tap on edit. After selecting edit, we're going to scroll down. So you can scroll down right here and then you're going to tap right where you see fixed price. Let's say, for example, $10 for that service. Then you can scroll down right here, and from here you could select the location, or if it is video conferencing, you could simply tap on add right here to add it. And then after you're finished, you're going to tap on save once more. So you'll tap on save. After it has been saved, I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. Right where you see booking calendar in the future, this is where you will go to check when you have a booking and the client and what is the client request. And by the way, by going over to the left hand menu option once more, you can scroll down and right where you see billing and payment, I want you to hover over that section with your cursor and you're going to tap on payments. After selecting payments, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on manage payment methods. After selected manage payment methods, I want you to tap right where you see PayPal and connect your PayPal account. And depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. So for example, if I were to change my location by tapping in the top right hand corner right there, let's say I were to change it to Canada, you can see that I'm now provided with some different payment methods that I can offer my customers. I would be able to accept credit and debit cards with Wix by tapping on Connect. And by scrolling down, you can see that we are offered PayPal as this is offered worldwide. And by tapping on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner, I can also connect AAA, Afterpay, point of sale, bank full, and so on. And this will vary depending on the country or region that you're located in. And keep in mind, to accept payments online with Wix, you will need to go onto one of their paid plans, but this starts off at $12 to $17 per month. And with this, you'll be able to get a free domain name, which would be the www.com. You will also be provided with free hosting also with that package. So it is definitely worth it. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. After selecting Set Up, I want you to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Now you can see the different themes that you can use. So you can simply scroll down until you find a theme to your liking. But I normally use one of the best matches. So let's say, for example, I want to use this theme. All I would need to do is tap on edit here and provide some basic information about your business. Then tap on generate site text. And the Wix AI will compose articles that can be added to your website. After doing that, or if you don't want to do that, you can simply tap on the X to close the pop-up. After closing the pop-up, you're going to tap on the plus 50%. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. So you can see it right here. So now to start composing or to start editing our website, better yet, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to edit. Once you have done that, you're going to see the option Quick Edit in the left hand corner. You're going to tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit, you can change the background image by simply tapping on Change. You can change the title, you can change the texts by simply selecting the text section. And that is how you'll be able to edit each section of your website. So you can just use this as a template. For example, right where you see our services, you could change the image right here to a particular service that you would like to add. So let's say, for example, I would like to change the image. So I'll scroll down. All right, where you see section background, you could tap on that and you could change the section background. You can also change the icon button right here by tapping on settings. You can do that. You could change the title, our services if you want, and the paragraph. So you can simply use it as a template and change each section to your liking to add the different services that you want to offer. And that's basically it, how to edit a Wix website. And by the way, to view all the pages on your website, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on home. After selecting home, you can see all the pages right here. If it is a case that you would like to remove a page, you could select manage pages at the bottom right there. Then from there, let's say for example, I would like to delete a page. So let's say for example, I want to delete the news and updates page. I could simply tap on the three dots in line with the page name, then tap on delete. And you can see now that the page has been deleted. After selecting delete once more, you can see that it has been removed. And you can see the different pages right here by tapping on sign up and login. You can see the pages related to that. And again, you can edit these pages by tapping on them. You can see the booking pages right here. So the services, service page, booking calendar, booking form. These are all of the pages that your clients will pass through when they are creating a booking. And once they have paid, they will be redirected to the thank you page. And if you would like to select a page to edit right now, you could tap on home. Then from there, let's say for example, we were to select services page. You can see it is redirecting us to the service page. And this is how it looks at the moment. So these are the sample services that we had created earlier, as you can see right here. Now, once everything is to your liking, and by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add text or anything at all that you don't see on your website, all you will need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. From here, you can add text, image, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find it in the add elements section. So you can add a pop-up, you can add anything at all by simply going in the add elements section, tapping on it and dragging it to the page that you would like to add it. After you have finished, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can tap on publish and your website will now be live. For example, you can see that I've tapped on preview. So this is how our service page will look to our potential clients. And if they were to tap on book now, they will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, they'll now be able to set up their appointment. So you can see they will be able to select the date that they would like to come in. They can also select the time. Then after doing that, you can see the price right there. They will also see the staff member and location. Then they'll tap on next. And from there, they will be able to complete their payment. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.